So today we are going to make our lumpia or spring roll that's made of pork. So ayan, this is a very famous Asian or especially Filipino na side dish. So to start with, mayroon tayong ground pork dito. Mas mabuti kung lean yung pork nyo. Ito kasi masyadong fatty. And then we're just going to add our spices, onions, bell pepper, garlic, scallions. Ayan, tapos i-mix-mix lang natin siya. May carrots din pala, ayan. Anyway, nakalagay naman dyan sa ating screen yung ating mga ingredients. Tapos, season natin ng salt and black pepper. Tapos, add tayo ng garlic powder, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sesame oil na anong tawag dyan? Fragrant. Tapos, lagay tayo ng egg. Tapos, mix lang natin. Mekos-mekos lang. Mix well until fully combined yung mga ingredients natin. Then, add tayo ng konting flour. Siguro mga 2 teaspoons or tablespoons of flour. Tapos, mix again. Ayan, tapos when it's ready, the mixture is ready, ayan, umpisahan na nating magbalot ng ating lumpia. So, alam nyo na siguro kung paano magbalot ng lumpia nyo. So, sundan nyo na lang yung nasa screen natin. Tapos, nagamitan tayo ng water para ma-seal yung ating lumpia wrapper. Mas maigi kung di siya masyadong malaki para mas madali siyang maluto. Yung iba is piniprecook nila yung meat nila, pero I don't do that. Anyway, when everything is ready, ayan, may cooking oil tayo para i-deep fry na natin siya. Siguraduhin na natin na masyadong mainit na yung ating mantika. And then, wag masyadong i-crowd yung pan. Siguraduhin may space. Ayan. It started to turn golden brown already. It doesn't take that long because hindi naman siya masyadong kalakihan yung ating lumpia. So once cooked, i-drain lang natin yung excess oil. Pwede natin i-ano sa paper towel. Ilagay sa paper towel yung pero mas mabuti if may cooling rack kayo, mas maigi na yung cooling rack yung gamitin nyo para hindi siya maging soggy. So, ayan na yung ating lumpia, and you can serve it with your favorite dipping sauce, whether it's ketchup, chili sauce, or sweet chili sauce. It's up to you. It's best, as in, napaka-best selling talaga nito yung ating lumpia. Pag mga okasyon. In fact, namimiss ko na nga ng lumpia dito sa UK eh. Thank you for watching, guys. That's it for today.